Okay, Heath, I was going to take a look at this model and I tried it. It works okay. I was going to show you what I did to create the roundovers or routing edges on your edges. I'm going to rotate this around just a little bit and scale in. I'm going to double click on this item, this group, so I can edit this group. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to delete the upper surface, the chamfer surface that you had, and recreate it without the chamfer on it so that I can work with a roundover. So I'm now going to put a rectangle back on there, and I'll use push-pull to bring it up to that surface. So we now have a box the way it started out originally. I was going to try and do a 1/8 inch roundover, so I'm going to take a guideline, come over this way, 1/8 of an inch, come down here, 1/8 of an inch. This would be the center of a circle, 1/8 of an inch, which would define an arc that would be tangent at both of those points. So I can now take a circle, snap it to there. Use my eraser, and I can get rid of that part. What I was explaining before in the posting on the web, I want to make sure, click this, you notice this surface has been segmented. This is not selected. I can click that and it's segmented, so I know that this arc is on this surface. The follow me should work correctly. The next thing I'm going to do is use the select tool to select that surface, use the follow me, click that, and follow. Now, this is a situation that you get sometimes in SketchUp when you're working with very small parts and it's trying to model complex curves in very small size. There is a workaround for that. I'll show you. I'm going to do an edit and undo extrude so that this part is back the way before the follow me. I'm going to click on the outside to lock that group again, select the group, and then I'm going to use the scale function, grab the corner, I'm going to start to scale, I'm going to type in 10, and I'm just going to scale that part up 10 times its normal size. Now I'm going to zoom into this area, double click on it, and we'll do the follow me now, and you notice it worked just fine. So what I can do now is click on this and then use the scale function, scale it back down, type in 0.1, enter, to take it to 1/10 of its size. And we've got the radius working just fine without that little piece missing in there. So if you do see that you're missing a little bit of segments in the moldings, when you do that with follow me, it helps sometimes to scale it up just 10 times the size. It's easy to remember just to 10 and then scale it back down to 0.1 when you get done. That should solve your problem with the roundovers. If you have any other problems, give me a shout.